Go ahead, Bailey. Oh,
No, you.
Alright, I'll do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're about to tell my roommate Nathan that we fed him dog biscuits rather than actual chocolate chip cookies because we bought them from Petco. And, yeah. Anyway, it's more information than you needed.
Gotta get.
Gotta get.
Gotta get.
So, how are those cookies, Nathan? They're pretty tasty?
What are you guys up to?
Pretty awesome?
They're not a bad cook, or are they kind of okay? Are they good?
Good?
Let me see.
Too good? Are they delicious? You sure? Do you know those are dog biscuits?